My company is called Arro, and we are a credit building platform where we use AI and behavioral science to help people get access to a low limit credit line that grows as they learn and exhibit positive behaviors. I actually go back to the Untapped early days, and I was part of Untapped's earliest accelerator program, where I went through, met George and the team, worked through my business through the lean stack methodology, ended up actually pivoting the business concept during the course of that accelerator program, and I have been a huge fan of George and the Untapped team since then. Just a great group of people who are always kind of there to help make introductions, think through business problems, name it. George is one of those that will always pick up the phone, and not every investor does.
We're Foodini. We power personalized menus for anyone with food allergies or dietary needs. Essentially, we're creating an ingredient level data layer to provide transparency to people regardless of what dietary requirement they have. Working a lot now with online ordering, with food service, and with restaurants and hotels.
So we got connected with George, and really for us, so there's a big AI component to what we do. In order to be a data layer, you need to have a comprehensive data set. And for us, there's a way we can pull verified data on ingredients, but then for what's missing, we've been training LLMs on recipe level data, which involves a complex model. And for us, it was really about meeting George and seeing that he had a really awesome portfolio, a lot of other smart AI founders. And he's leaned in a lot, especially compared to other investors. He's been great about really helping us understand our business, helping introduce us to a lot of other people. So yeah, we've been really happy with George.
Honestly, it's an extremely impressive group of founders. Great to meet them, spend a bit more time with them as well, and be able to kind of compare war stories. Equally, great to meet a lot of the LPs. I think we've had probably 10 conversations with LPs who've come up to us just curious and learning more about what we're doing specifically, and obviously interested in learning about one of their portfolio companies. So honestly, just networking and getting to know the community better has been really important for me.
It's been such a blessing having them as part of the Radicle family and having their support. We really just enjoyed our entire experience having Untapped as investors in our company. And just from day one, there was really good just energy and synergistic bond between his vision and what our vision was, and really just have appreciated everything that he's been doing to support companies that are uplifting humanity and doing it in a way, again, that's incorporating AI in a really, again, humanistic way for positive impact on the world.
I met George, and I've just been so pleasantly surprised about how supportive they are, how smart they are. We have a new pitch deck. They gave this huge document of feedback they said it's a great deck and here's some things we would improve. Like no other investor has even done that. So just really good experience.